Before getting into detailed retouching, color grading always comes first. Once the colors are clean, everything else becomes much easier to adjust. This video will walk through the process. First, in Camera Raw, switch to the portrait profile for a better base on skin tones. In this original image, the highlights are slightly blown out. Try lowering the exposure. If the details are still there, then this area can be recovered. Lower the exposure slightly. Go to Mask. Choose Linear Gradient and create a mask over the blown-out area. This helps transition the light smoothly without harsh edges. Reduce exposure, highlights, and whites to bring back detail in the bright areas. Then go into Curves, lift the midtones slightly to balance the overall brightness, and gently reduce the highlights to keep the image soft. Increase a bit of shadows, contrast, and blacks to add depth and avoid a flat look after adjusting the exposure. Most RAW files tend to look a bit desaturated, so adding color in a controlled way helps the image feel more alive while staying natural. Use the white balance tool and sample a neutral point in the eye to correct the overall color more accurately. For this image, a soft purple tone works well, so slightly increase the tint. In Color Mixer, raise the lightness of the orange channel to brighten the skin. Since the overall color has been increased, reduce saturation slightly to keep the skin from looking too strong. The female subject appears a bit darker, so go to Mask. Select People. Choose the female subject and exclude hair and clothing. Increase shadows, contrast, and add a bit of temperature to make the skin brighter with a gentle warm tone. Toggle this on and off to compare. The lighting on the female subject's face is now more even, creating a natural balance with the male subject. Raise luminance slightly to make the skin look smoother and cleaner while keeping natural detail. The groom's suit has a slight blue cast, so go into color grading and add a bit of yellow into the shadows. Since yellow is complementary to blue, it helps neutralize that color cast. After this step, the image may look slightly warm, so go back to Color Mixer and reduce yellow globally to rebalance. Finally, go to Calibration and slightly increase the green channel. This shifts the skin tones toward a subtle pink-purple look. Comparing before and after, the colors now look cleaner, more refined, and better separated. Next, copy these color settings. Choose Copy Selected Edit Settings. Check all options, including masking to keep everything consistent. Press Ctrl-V to apply to another image. Camera Raw will automatically detect and apply masks using AI, saving time while maintaining accuracy. After applying, each mask can still be fine-tuned depending on the image. For example, add a radial gradient to the male subject's face to adjust the lighting and better balance it with the female subject. Clean color isn't about adding more, it's about controlling it properly. Hope this video helps you do that. Like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks so much for watching till the end.